Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick hair tutorial on how I get these really fun voluminous curls. It is super easy. It takes me about 20 minutes to do start to finish and I absolutely love the outcome. It's actually quite versatile look as well. You can kind of go as big or as small as you want depending on the wand that you choose and then how much spray you spritz in at the end. So if you want to see how I get these really fun curls, then just keep on watching. Okay, so jumping right in, the first thing that I like to do is protect my hair. That is number one. Anytime you're using any kind of heat products, you want to definitely spray something on your locks to protect them. So this one here, and I've been using this one for years. It is so good. It is from the drugstore. This is the Tresemme Thermal Creations. This is a heat protectant up to 230 degrees Celsius, which is perfect. It's just gonna help when you style your hair and protect your locks. So I just like to spray this pretty much throughout my entire hair. Once I have my heat protectant in my hair, then I will makes sense. Then I'll kind of section off my hair. I usually do 2 to 3 layers of hair. It kind of depends on the style of curl I'm going for. Like if I want really intensely curly hair, I'll do more layers. But for this like subtle beach wave, I'll kind of do 2, sometimes 3, depending. I usually go right where my ears are and just grab the crown all the way up and then clip it up out of my way so that I can work on the first portion of my head. So that's pretty much all I do, and I find this is the easiest way to make sure that you're curling all of your hair. Today we're gonna be using a 25 millimeter wand. This one here is from Lange. I love this one. It's rose gold, so it's super cute, but it actually is amazing. This specific wand holds my curls, I kid not, for 2 to 3 days. Like, it's amazing. I love this, especially if you curl your hair on second day hair. That's the best result. Curls are known to hold better if your hair is not super clean. I actually just washed my hair, so that's kind of problematic, but we'll see how well I can get the curls to hold. So basically what I like to do is I take one piece, about 1 inch of hair, and the first piece that I do, I curl away from the face. So I'll put my wand down and place the hair, turning it away from the face, and I typically go all the way around, and then I'll hold it there for like 8 to 10 seconds. And then I'll gently let the hair go and catch it, let it cool for a couple of seconds, and then I'll drop it. And it gives you this like really pretty ringlet. It's not gonna stay like that forever, but that's fine. What really makes this hairstyle is the fact that we're gonna be interchanging the direction that we're curling our hair. So the next 1 inch, we're gonna do towards the face. So, like so, same kind of deal. And hold it there for 8 to 10 seconds usually is what I do. And then I just catch it. And just letting it cool in the ringlet is gonna help hold the curl as well. So I'm kind of doing it a little bit longer than I normally do because my hair is squeaky clean. Like that. And then just keep going. So this last one I'm gonna do towards the face. Away. Then once I get to the middle of the head, I switch to the other side. So the same thing, I'm gonna start with 1 inch of hair and go away from the face. I always find that this side is harder than the other side. So you might notice that you are stronger on one side of your head than the other. So away from the face for this one. And then grab another inch of hair and then do towards the face. Be very careful when you catch your curls too. I do definitely recommend, like, I burn myself all the time, it's hazardous. So if you are new to curling your hair, definitely wear a heat protecting glove. It is worth it. It will save you from some burns. I'm telling you, when I first started curling my hair, I used to burn my hand like every single time I did it. I've gotten a little bit more cautious, but nonetheless, it still like happens to me every so often. I catch myself slipping, I'm not paying attention close enough or whatever it may be, and I end up burning like my finger, knuckle usually. It's brutal. It's usually when I'm doing these back pieces because I can't totally see the wand. I'm just gonna do like this very top portion and clip it up. That's real cute. So now we have the next section of hair and we're gonna do the exact same thing. So away from the face to start and then in, out, in, out, in, out, and then switch sides. So again, we're gonna grab 1 inch of hair that's usually closest to the face and then go away from the face. I find that going away from the face just frames the hair better, like frames your face better. So that's why I start with it that way, nearest to the face, and then kind of alternate as I go back. So while we let my hair cool down and set into place, I want to talk about one key product that really makes this look, and it is a texturizing spray. So I've kind of moved on from hairspray. Now and then I do still put a little bit of hairspray into my hair, but for the most part, I've totally moved on to texturizing sprays. I'm totally obsessed with them. They work wonders when you want really like cool, beachy, voluminous kind of waves in your hair. You need these in your life. So I have 2 that I really am obsessed with. The first one here is from Bumble and Bumble. This is the one I've been using recently. It is the Thickening Dry Spun Finish Spray. It is amazing. It creates instant fullness and holds airy texture. It's super nice. I think this one is very lightweight, which I like. So I typically use this one like during the day if I curl my hair for work or I'm on the weekend and whatever it may be. But during the day, I'll typically use this one. It leaves 0 residue to your hair. It just gives your hair like a little bit of a textured feel, but like it's not crunchy or anything like that whatsoever. So a completely different vibe than your typical hairspray. It's amazing. It really works wonders. I even like to spray this in my hair when I straighten it, but I want a little bit of volume right at my crown. I'll just lift and spray this in and it really works. So nice, especially on really clean hair. The second product is like my child. That's how close and sentimental it is to me. It's like my child. Okay, so this one is from IGK. This is the Beach Club Texture Spray. It says it right there, Beach Club. It's amazing, so good. So I like this one because I think it acts kind of like a 2-in-1. It's not meant to be a hairspray, but I find that it holds the curls like a hairspray would, but also gives that textured vibe and also gives so much volume to the hair. It's just amazing. So I typically like to use this one on nights out when I know that my hair needs to hold a curl for a really long time. This is what I go for. So I'm gonna use this one here today. And another thing to note about this one is it smells so good. So the first thing that I like to do is once my hair sets and is cooled down is I kind of just like to run my fingers through it and just destroy all the curls I made. Just destroy them. I'm just kidding. But I just like to run my fingers through my hair just to kind of break up the curls just a smidgen, and you can see already like what a difference that just made. Now that that's done, I like to take the texture spray. Oh my God. Oh. All right, so I like to take the texture spray and just lift and spray everywhere, and I kind of go a little overboard sometimes, but I think it's partially because I'm so obsessed and it smells so good. So I like to lift like this. It's very, very specific. And just start spraying. Do you see this? I'm telling you guys, it's no joke. See, like you could have stopped afterwards when I said it was no joke. You could have stopped there, but I kept going for another 2 rounds. No joke. So then once that's done, I kind of just like to rub it in. I don't think this does anything, but. Okay, so do we see how like voluminous and beachy this is? So the beauty of this hairstyle is you can go as big or as small as you want. It's totally up to your preference and what you like with your curls. I love getting a pretty voluminous effect. Nonetheless, this is exactly what I do to achieve these really nice, voluminous, beachy curls. I love doing this. It honestly doesn't take me as long as you would think. It takes me usually 15 minutes to curl them and then another like 10 to 15 to set them and spray some spritz in there, and then I'm good to go. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick hair tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more hair tutorials here on my YouTube channel. I don't typically post that many of them, but if you guys want to see them, leave me some suggestions down below. I am happy to do them. That wraps up this video, so thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. And that is all I do to get this hair. Today we're gonna be using a 25 millimeter. So I usually go right where my oh my god. Okay, now I look like a lion. Tone it down, tone it down, tone it down, tone it down, tone it down.